Hello. Hello, person I don't know. What do you want? Are you dumb or something? What is this place? A repair shop, right? Yeah. Repair my car! Okay. Bum. Magic. I'm gonna wait over here. Ouch. Ooh, let me open this bunker. Oh god, please don't fall. Done. Let me have, ouch. And, be careful, that could cause the bite of 87. Sorry, I'm already in. Inside, it's cool. It seems bigger than it is. I warned you. Really? Oh no, no, please. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Help. Well, I gotta fix this car. There we go. Let's walk over to the tools section. What do we got? What do you know? Hook. Oh wait, this will work. What do you need fixed on it? My radiator. What's a radiator? I don't know. Ah. All you needed was for me to tighten your tire there. It'll be 100 million. Oh god. Wait, he ain't even here, so let's stop. Why don't I just use magic? Magic. Well. Hey. Yeah, son of a beep. Get out. Yay. Ouch. Did you fix it? Yeah. There'll be 100 million.